Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from a card to PayPal. Alright, let's begin. First, open the PayPal website and click on Request. To do this, you need a paypal.me link, which takes only a few seconds to set up. Once there, enter an alternative email, not the one linked to your PayPal account. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and click Request Payment. Now, check your email for a PayPal request. Open it and click Pay Now. Then, select Pay without a PayPal account. Enter your credit or debit card details. Then confirm the payment by clicking Agree and Send Money. You should see a green check mark confirming that the money has been successfully transferred. Within minutes, the funds will appear in your PayPal account. So, that's basically how you can transfer money from a card to PayPal. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.